Welcome to our Basler tutorial on our Pylon vTool Calibration and Rectification. We will integrate the Calibration vTool for precise real-world measurements, convert camera pixel coordinates, and enhance the analysis precision. Additionally, this vTool addresses radial and perspective distortion effects that may arise from your camera setup. Access the workbench from the top menu. Create a simple recipe featuring a camera and a calibration vTool by using the vTool pane on the left or by right-clicking on the workbench pane. When editing an existing recipe, ensure to stop the currently running recipe. Easily connect the image output pin of the camera vTool and the image input pin of the calibration vTool. Select the camera vTool and click Run to utilize the live camera image for calibration. Double-click the Calibration vTool to open the Settings dialog and to start the calibration process. The calibration requires a calibration plate. Select a calibration plate from the drop-down list that matches the size of your camera's field of view. If you do not have a printout already, print it in its actual size and attach it onto a sturdy, flat surface, such as an aluminum plate or thick cardboard, for optimal results. Position the calibration plate within the camera's field of view at the same distance as your objects. Click Next and capture an image of the calibration plate. The calibration process starts automatically, and upon completion, you can directly see the results. If using an existing image, ensure it was captured under the same conditions as your current setup to ensure accurate results. Click Next and OK to return to your recipe. To have a closer look at the results of the vTools in a recipe, open the pin data view. Choose all the pins of your interest. Please note that not all pins are selected by default. Adjust the view settings of the pin data view as needed. To learn more, visit the Basler product documentation page. Pylon vTools, image processing made easy.